Hey guys, welcome to our Armour Glass Coating video. In this video, we'll be introducing you to our premium grade window coating solution that elevates your driving experience while maintaining the cleanliness of your glass surfaces. Armour Glass Coating is a cutting-edge solution featuring an extremely hydrophobic composition, repelling rain, water, and other precipitation. Featuring a 110-degree water contact angle and a low sliding angle, water will start to dissipate at speeds of just 35 miles an hour, eliminating the need for wipers at highway speeds. Glass features durability of 12+ months on windshield glass, even with wiper usage, and you should see 2+ years on any side and back glass where no wipers are used. The benefits of this product is that it can be used on all types of glass, including laminated glass, tempered glass, and standard car glass. Armour Glass Coating features an extremely high chemical resistance from 0 to 13 pH, resisting any cleaning or washer fluids that may be used on the glass. With its extremely high chemical resistance and high durability, this is a must-have for any drivers wanting to enhance their driving experience. So what's included in the kit? You receive 30 ml of our Armour Glass Coating, a standard Saver microfiber applicator, and a how-to direction card that goes over everything you'll need to know about the product, application, and aftercare. So you're ready to apply Armour Glass Coating. Prep is going to be the most important step, so ensure this is done properly. Start by decontaminating the glass with a car wash, decontaminating it with an iron remover if necessary, and then removing further embedded contamination with either a clay bar or our synthetic clay mitt. On older vehicles, it may be necessary to polish the glass to remove any old previous hydrophobic coatings or any other contamination or water spots. Once you're done with the initial prep, use our panel prep to ensure there's no polishing oils or any other oils that may interfere with the coating bonding to the glass surface. To apply, prime the applicator with 3 lines and apply Armour Glass Coating to a small section at a time using methodical back and forth or crosshatch motions. Allow the product to set up for 15 to 60 seconds and then level in a small circular motion. If the coating begins to smear, it needs additional time to set up. If the coating is very hard to remove, it needs less time before you start to remove. Switch to a second towel for final leveling. Check for any streaks or high spots which could appear as cloudy or dark spots. Repeat the process for each glass section. We recommend applying 2 layers to the windshield to ensure a long durability and consistent application. Please allow 30 to 60 minutes in between each layer and 12 hours before getting wet and 7 days before washing or any chemicals are introduced to the glass. Thank you for watching our Armour Glass Coating video. To purchase yours or learn more about the product, please visit our website. Stay safe and happy driving.